Yes, yes.
Hello.
Oh, hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Good evening from here in the UK. I will be doing a live stream business chat to one of my business partner from Italy tonight. I know you have been waiting for our live stream on my colleagues from Empowered Women a while ago at 7 o'clock. But unfortunately, my apology that it didn't cross post on my page. So I'll have a look later on if I can download it and just give you the replay of our live stream earlier on. So tonight, we'll just focus on our special guest, Mama Rose from Italy, and she will just give us some inspiration about this business. Um, Hello, Mama Rose. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation, my impromptu invitation. So let's
Yes.
just do this quickly, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So, can you just introduce, ipakilala mo sa ating mga audience who you are, tapos what you do outside sa ating business.
Okay. So, yes. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever you are, wherever you are tuning in from, kung anumang oras po sa lugar ninyo. Ako po si Rosalie, isa po akong may isa po akong anak, original from Philippines, and currently living and working as dental assistant here in Italy for more than 20 years na to be exact. And isa rin po siya, may isa akong ina, may isa akong anak. Dito ka nakabase nga po sa Italia. At tulad din ng maraming mga ina, hati ang oras ko sa trabaho, pamilya at responsibilidad sa bahay. And outside the business, simple lang talaga ang buhay ko. Meron akong regular na trabaho at may anak na inaalagaan at mahalaga sa akin ang faith at pamilya. Wala akong glamorous lifestyle, pero tulad ng maraming nanay, may desire ako na magkaroon ng mas maayos na future at mas maraming choices para sa pamilya ko. Yun po ang una kong sagot.
Nakaka-inspire, no? Na ang daming ina, ang daming mothers, a lot of mothers already dito sa digital business natin, no sis? And a lot of them are already very successful business owners. So, kung ikaw ay isang ina, you're a mom na you're hoping, you are wishing na magkaroon rin ng digital business on the side while you are taking care of your kids, you can do this. So, let's just ask Mama Rose. I'll call her Mama Rose because Sis Rose called me Mama Lisa as well. So, we call each other Mama Rose, Mama Lisa. So, Mama Rose, yung pangalawang question, ano yung nag-push ba sa'yo na mag-join itong business na to?
Alright. Honestly, hindi ako pumasok dito dahil gusto kong yumaman agad. Ang nag-push sa akin ay yung realization na kahit gaano kakasipag, may limit pa rin ang ating oras at katawan. Alam mo yun, full-time na ako nagtatrabaho, pero ramdam ko pa rin yung pagod at yung feeling na ito na lang bang talaga, na yung gusto ko ng option, yung pwedeng gawin ko kahit busy, kahit nanay ako, o kahit wala akong extra na oras. Naisip ko na kung hindi ako magsisimula ngayon, same routine pa rin ang haharapin ko years from now. So I chose to try, to learn, at bigyan ng chance yung sarili ko. Yun lang, Mama Liz.
Tama yun sis, Mama Rose. Talaga kasi uso na talaga ang burnout, no? And you came to that realization na kailangan na talagang may mabago kasi let's tingnan natin yung anong date na ngayon. It's already the 18th of January. We just celebrate our Christmas, New Year, and you just came to that realization ba na parang magfe-February na naman. Parang nagsa-cycle lang, no? Parang walang nababago ba? Parang ano, tapos you're thinking na pare-pare the same thing over and over and over. So yeah, so pareho tayo nung ano nang I came to that realization talaga na ano, so I also joined. I want change. I want to change my life and I want to give something, a legacy for my children. So so ang last na question natin, Mama Rose, ay so today, ano na ngayon yung mga bagay na ibibigay na sa'yo sa ating digital business, hindi lang sa financially, pero in terms na rin sa ating mindset, sa confidence, tapos yung growth.
Mhm. Actually, malaki yung naging epekto nito sa mindset ko. Alam mo yun, mas naging aware ako sa opportunities, mas intentional sa oras ko at mas confident na ma-express ko yung sarili ko. Hindi pa man perfect yung journey ko, pero ramdam ko yung personal growth, yung courage na sumubok, yung confidence na magsalita, at yung belief na
Ah,
may kaya pa pala akong gawin beyond my job title. Alam mo yun, financially goal pa rin yun, but malapit na. Pero ngayon pa lang nabibigyan na ako ng yung pag-asa, direction at growth. Hindi lang bilang earner, kundi bilang babae, nanay at isang individual. Yun lang.
salamat, Mama Rose. It's so inspiring, no? So guys, so if you have a question, just comment on below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I promised to Mama Rose a while ago na we'll just do this very very quick live stream, and to just give you a quick inspiration about this digital business. So my apology if we have I believe we have what's that one? We have sent this we've done this in our own language, but I will try my very best to get some few more of my our business partners in our community, which is another business partners, again, to just give you another inspiration about this digital business. So thank you, Mama Rose.
Thank you, Mama Liz.
Thank you so much. Thanks,
Alright.
guys.
God
Bye.
bless.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
bye.
Bye-bye.